Ready to turn your favorite pastime into profit? You can earn up to $150 for every minute spent watching videos for a month. In today's digital world, screen time can translate into cash. Whether you enjoy funny videos, documentaries, streams, there is a chance to make money while you watch. I will guide you on how to turn this habit into a profitable side hustle, helping you build on how you can make money online without limitations. Welcome to this channel. To stay updated on the latest way to make money online in Africa and worldwide, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Let's kick off our journey by exploring a platform and an app called Rewady. This innovative website allows users to make money by interacting with various types of media, including videos. The average user reportedly earns over $5 a day. So do the calculations. Let's say somehow you make $5 in 2 days. You are still making over $70 in a month just by watching videos. The app has already paid out over $700,000 to its users. With over 1.5 million users and a 4.5 star rating, this platform is legitimate and well received. So how does Rewady work? It is very simple. Start by creating a free account. After setting it up, you can begin earning points by completing tasks like listening to music, playing games, watching videos, and taking surveys. As you can see, currently I have $0.22 in my account with just 200 points. These points are what will be converted into real money, which can then be withdrawn via PayPal or through cryptocurrency. And let me remind you, these 200 points that I made came from just engaging 1 hour with the app. I was too busy and I just wanted to try the app a little bit. So I streamed some of the streams and some of the videos for just 1 hour and I made 200 points. If you do a little bit of calculations, then you will need around 5,000 points to make $5 a day. And I know that sounds a lot, but if you do the calculations, it will take you 25 hours to earn the 5,000 points. I don't expect, and it is not realistic, that everyone can be on their phones for 24 hours. So let's add another 24 hours. And let's say instead of making $5 in a day or 25 hours, you will make $5 in 48 hours or 2 days. If you are consistent with that, in a month you can make $75 by doing nothing. And let's say you can't even do that, then you can earn around $50, $25, or again $75 in a month. And if anyone is watching in Africa or other parts in the world, $75 in a month for doing nothing is amazing. Here's how to get started. Visit Rewady and click register account. Enter username, email, and password. After verifying your account, you are ready to go. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard where you can explore the site's features. To start earning, head to the Earn tab, which lists several ways to make money online, such as completing offers, playing games, or watching videos. For this video, we will focus on video watching, so click on watch streams options. You don't need a Twitch account to earn while watching the streams, but you will need to download an app called Livestream as they have suggested. It is nothing complicated. All you have to do is download the app that they will send you to, and once you open the app, you will just type in your Rewady account username and start watching the videos. You can watch various videos featuring popular games like League of Legends, popular streamers, Minecraft, and more. Per minute, you will earn around 0.2 cents, with higher rates for users in developed countries. If you prefer listening to music, then you will have to download Global Radio app. Once you open the app, you'll do the same thing where you will enter your username of Rewady and listen to music. Rewady also provides offers like installing games and completing surveys. Once you have accumulated accumulated enough points, it's time to cash out. Rewady offers various withdrawal methods including PayPal and cryptocurrencies. The minimum cash out is 5,000 points, which equate to $5. Once you reach the minimum amount, the money will be in your account in 1 to 2 days. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money making tips. Thanks for watching Make Money Online today. I will see you in the next video on your screen.